असी सजना पंजाबी मीनिंग है कि हमें तैयार होना है, get ready for someone. So if you could explain about
Asi Sajna means like us,
Punjabi.
two lovers, right? The song is about love. It's about love in every form. Sometimes आपको travel करने में अच्छा लगता है. Sometimes you feel happy just driving around गेड़ी लगाने में अपने friends के साथ.
It's a Punjabi word.
Yeah, गेड़ी.
Right, aimlessly.
Yeah, with music on full volume. And कभी आपको अच्छा कुछ आपकी favorite dish खाने में अच्छा लगता है, or sometimes you like to sleep, or sometimes you just love spending. No, I don't actually. I don't. Sometimes you love spending time with your dogs, or like. So that the song is about just doing every little thing that you love doing, and it's just that those happy moments, and like just traveling, it either you're on the beach or the mountains, anything that just makes you love life. That's the song, and it could be just you doing that, or you could be doing that with your favorite person. So it either you could be your Asi Sajana, or you could be doing it with your partner.
Yeah, it could be also self-love in that way.
Yeah.
Right. So मैं हमेशा से सोचता था
हाँ.
कि जसलीन के इतने रोमांटिक गाने होते हैं, आपकी लाइफ में रोमांस ना भी हो, आफ्टर लिस्टिंग टू जसलीन यू फील लाइक कि नहीं भाई, जिंदगी में कोई होना चाहिए, दिल टूटना चाहिए एक बार.
यार होना चाहिए, दिल टूटना नहीं चाहिए. It's not easy. Heartbreaks are never easy. I never wish that upon anyone. हाँ, किसी का ना हो.
So while I was researching about it, so मैंने देखा 8 July born. I'm like, okay, it's a Cancerian. So ये तुम्हारे खून में है, because I'm also a Cancerian. So yeah, romance, everything, the tenderness, sensitivity, बहुत सारी
हम
चीजें.
सिर्फ अपनी तारीफ करते रहेंगे. People will be like कितने नीडी होते हैं, कितने क्लिकी होते हैं. नहीं
क्लिंगी तो खैर हमारा राइट है. अगर आप
इमोशनल होते हैं, इमोशनल
इमोशनल क्लिंगी नहीं होते तो I'm sorry, आप कैंसरियन नहीं हैं. So of course तो that's also your trait. आपके गानों में जो प्योरिटी है वो दिखती है. आपकी आवाज़ से that slow tone that you use, I don't know the right term to say, मगर वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And then but we want to know, your audience, your fans would love to know कि इतना प्यार, रोमांस कहाँ से आता है, despite being a Cancerian of course.
मैं वैसे ही बहुत इमोशनल इंसान हूँ, तो मेरे को I think I just love loving.
Yeah.
And अब मैं अपनी से too much loving. Yeah. So and I'm very empathetic. I have a lot of empathy, and I'm a very sensitive person. So sometimes it's the other people's pain that I express through my songs. Like Ranjha.
Wow.
जब रांझा आया था तब मैंने ऐसे कुछ हार्ट ब्रेक एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया था. It was my best friend who was living with me. उसका बहुत like she was going through a very very hard time. तो उनका हार्ट ब्रेक चल रहा था, तो it was her feelings that just consumed me, and Ranjha came out, and I'm sure like she must be going through a terrible time, but I'm just saying that it just her feelings that are channelized, and Ranjha was born. So it's
बहुत सारे रांझे were also born for the हीरिये, और कितनों के घर बसे रांझा ने, हीरिये ने. All thanks to Jasleen Roy.
Thank you.
And I'm sure ये emotions हैं जो आपके गाने में दिखते हैं.